keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If y'all new here, my name is Sade, and I literally just woke up maybe 20 minutes ago. Okay, guess where we going? We finna go pick up these glasses, and we about to try to pick them up before they go to lunch. Y'all know how they be trying to close the doors early when people go to lunch and whatnot. We finna go over here and see if we could pick up these glasses real quick so y'all can see how ridiculous I look. And then that's gonna be the last time y'all see me on them glasses, cause I don't need glasses to see y'all, period. That's it. Yep, these are the ones.
Those are cute. They look
Think
good.
so?
Yeah. They look really good.
I'm glad I picked these besides the ones that I did pick before, cause ma'am. Y'all see how they tried to lock that door early? Baby, I know y'all be trying to go to lunch, but it's not 1 o'clock yet. It's not. But here you go. Y'all get it. Go ahead, take a good look, because you will not see him again. You will not. Okay? All right. And no, I don't need him to drive. Thank you very much. No, I don't. Let's go, because we got a Walmart order to pick up. Yes, thank you. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Have a good one. Hello. Happy birthday. Thank you. Y'all see who right here waiting on me? Look at her. She just sitting there waiting so patiently. Hi. Okay, so I got a lot going on. I wasn't supposed to even be doing all this, but I guess I'm doing it, y'all. Making some chimichangas. Let me show y'all real quick. And make sure y'all watch that video, too. Chimichanga video, yeah. So, we got the refried beans. We making avocado right now. I got to go get some more avocado. We got our slurry. We got our... Woo. Hold on. We got our meat up in here, y'all. Now, I got to go to the store and get another avocado because the avocado they gave me, baby, it's brick hard. Let me show you. Yeah, no. We can't even... This ain't gonna work. We going to the store. I'm gonna be so mad, y'all, if I gotta go to another store. I'm gonna be pissed off. This the softest it's gonna get, y'all. It's the best it's gonna get. It's fucking snowing and I'm trying to vlog. Y'all, do y'all use y'all backup camera when y'all going backwards? Cause I gotta use my mirrors, baby. I don't know if I'm old school or what, but I gotta use my mirrors. I can't use the backup camera. Only time I use the backup camera, y'all. Damn, my bad. Only time I use the backup camera is when I'm trying to make sure that I stop on time. But going side to side and all that, baby, I gotta use my mirrors. Nuh-uh. Why is she sitting in front of my heater I don't know, like a human? You cold, you got all that fur on you. Y'all, I'm in the middle of taking this tree down. I done took everything off. Now it's bare. I just need to take it down. Y'all have no idea what I just went through. I spilled my shot. I burned my hand with the grease that y'all, oh my God, I'm so done. I'm done recording for today for the next 2 days because I'm so irritated. I'm done right now. I'll see y'all, I don't know what day, but another day. Hey y'all, it's Wednesday. My kid's tripping.
Huh? I'm tripping.
Anyway, y'all, I'm finna get ready and go eat with my friend. And I'm trying to see what I should I, hold on. I'm trying to see if I should wear a belt with these jeans. I don't like these jeans at all. Should I wear these? But these are the only shoes I got that's white. And, well, no, I got tan ones. I got these tan ones, but this is all I pretty much got as far as like white. Everything else black. I don't know what to do, y'all. So we're gonna have to figure it out. And my hair, oh, my hair is a mess. We finna lay these edges down though real quick. I need to hurry up. I'm rushing because I waited till the last second. Obviously, right? We're finna just do these edges over here and call it a day. Okay. Oil in my hair. So look, I put this belt on. Comment below if I shouldn't have wore the belt or not. I don't know. It's not that. I don't know. So I decided to go with these because I'm gonna wear my red first. That's why. D, why is you sniffing on my leg that much, bro? I don't know why I've been putting these on lately because I like them. Let me show you how they go. But this part goes up here. It goes like that. Can y'all see it? It's better lighter. It go like that. I like it. Skirt or whatever. Y'all, I didn't do nothing to my hair. Nothing. She said she don't eat it already, y'all. I'm about to be done. Okay, y'all, this is what I decided to do. Oh, I gotta get my bag. The pink shirts and jeans. And some shoes. It might as well be Valentine's Day with what I got on. I'm gonna wear this bag and these shoes. Whatever. I'll be back. Reversing because I don't got my phone. I need to be right back around. Nowhere without that. I was gonna say you got the room. I got to take pictures. What drink you with?
I got the painkiller.
Y'all believe I just had to drive in this bullshit? This is some fucking bullshit. It's fucking bullshit is what it is. Y'all, I've been missing in action for a few days, but it is Sunday, and look what they out here doing. Boy, they ass crazy. Y'all crazy as hell. I hope that y'all can hear me, but obviously I'm feeling better a little bit. I have been so sick, y'all. Like, I made that spaghetti. If y'all seen that video, you know what I'm talking about. But if you did not see that video, then make sure y'all go watch that video, because I was very, very stiff in that video. And I just left the doctor, and I'm good, y'all. Like, I just left the doctor. She said that I'm good. I don't got COVID or meningitis or nothing like that. Obviously, she can't pinpoint what it is. So I'm up here right now getting me some pho for lunch. Hey y'all, it's Monday. Did I talk to y'all today? I did talk to y'all today. I be forgetting. So, but anyway, y'all, I don't even know if I told y'all after that night, like I had went out to eat. Don't mind these covers because I'm just folding. I had went out to eat. Y'all, we didn't get done till like 4 o'clock in the morning, okay? Because we came to my house, and then we started, having a little fun, drinking, whatever. And then we went to one of my other friends' houses, and then we just had a good old time, y'all. I mean, just laughing. We played Taboo. Y'all, I got to buy that game, Taboo, but it's like can I say this word on here? Adult version. It's the adult version, I guess. So, yeah. And it was fun, y'all. Taboo is fun. Like, I really didn't realize how fun it is. I got to get that game. Matter of fact, I'm finna text her right now and ask her what that game is. And I'm going to post it right here for y'all. This ain't no ad or none of that, y'all. I just genuinely like the game. Anyways, y'all. So, we had fun. And I had to work the next night. So, I had plenty of time to recover. Them, not so much. But anyway, y'all, I think I'm going to end the vlog right here. I really need to do something with my hair. So if y'all got any ideas, y'all can hit me up on my Instagram. Like, how would you wear your hair, like, if you had locks? Because right now, I'm probably not gonna retwist it. Y'all don't even know when I had a retwist. But if you had locks, like, send me some styles. Like, how would you do your hair? So I will see you beauties on my next vlog. Bye.
Hit that subscribe button.